PlantView is a valuable feature within the Aspen HYSYS and Aspen Plus process simulators that allows process models to touch real-time and historical plant data. By mapping model stream variables to stream data from a process data historian like Aspen's IP21, the process engineer can see plant stream data side by side with predicted stream data. This allows process engineers to see historical data trends and troubleshoot process problem areas more effectively, thereby facilitating operations support applications. PlantView can be accessed by clicking the View tab in the ribbon and then clicking the PlantView button. Within the PlantView flowsheet, you can see what is happening in the model streams before mapping the stream variables to plant data. The speed of the stream animation will give an idea of the relative flow rate, while its color will indicate the type of stream it is. For example, it could be a liquid stream, a vapor stream, or a mixed stream. When the stream tables are activated, you can see the model values for the stream variables, as well as a pie chart depicting the composition of the different components in each stream. The components are categorized by color and are depicted in the key on the right-hand side of the flowsheet. With PlantView, you can point to a process data historian and map plant data tags to 6 stream variables in your simulation. Aspen Search helps identify the right types of tags. For example, it will show only temperature tags when you are mapping to a stream temperature. Once the plant data tags are mapped, you also have the ability to view real-time, historical, or time average data by hovering over any mapped stream variable, which allows you to pinpoint anomalies in the behavior of the plant at certain points in history. Plant data maps can be exported to Excel and saved there for later use. This allows the same model to be mapped to multiple sets of plant data. The PlantView component in Aspen HYSYS and Aspen Plus creates a valuable functionality in the Aspen One engineering suite to view plant data side by side with model results. This helps to bridge the communications gap between process engineers and operations by making it easier than ever before to use rigorous process models to understand plant behavior. To learn more about PlantView, you can visit the Aspen Technology website or the Aspen Technology YouTube channel for a variety of training and knowledge-based content.